From sweet Dungannon to Ballyshannon, and from Cullyhanna to Old Arboe, I have roved and rambled, caroused and gambled, where songs did thunder and whiskey flow. It's late and early, I tramped through Derry, and a Portaferry in the County Down. Bond with all my raking and undertaking, my heart was aching for sweet Omagh Town. And when life grew dreary and I grew weary, I set sail for England from Derry Quay. And it's when I landed, sure 'twas fate commanded that I to London should make my way. Where many's a gay night from a dark to daylight I spent with people of high renown, bond with all their glamour and uproarious manner, my lips did stammer of sweet Omagh Town. And then further going, my wild oat sowing, to New York City I crossed the sea, where a congregation of rich relations stood on the harbour to welcome me. In grand apparel, like dukes or earls, they tried to raise me with sword and crown, bond with all their splendour, I and heaps to spend, sure, my heart was aching for sweet Omagh Town. And when life is over, and I shall hover above the gates where St. Peter stands, and he will call me for to install me among the saints in that golden land, and I will answer, I'm sure 'tis grand, sir, for to play the harp and wear the crown. But I being humble, sure I'll never grumble, if heaven's as charming as sweet Omagh Town.